Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the essential tools you need to start forex trading. Number one on our list is a smartphone or PC. A smartphone or PC is the primary tool you need to access the forex market. This is where you execute your trades, analyze market data, and manage your trading activities. Smartphone offers flexibility, allowing you to place trade on the go. Most brokers have mobile apps that are user-friendly and allow quick access to your trading account. However, the small screen size might limit in-depth analysis. That's why you might need a PC. But if you don't have any, then no problem because it's not gonna be a limitation. Just that personal computer is more powerful and offers a larger screen, making it easier to analyze charts, run multiple trading platforms, and use additional software like trading robots and automated strategies. Both smartphone and PC are essential for accessing trading platforms, managing trade, and staying updated with the market news. Like I said, if you don't have PC, there's no problem. You can use your phone to do mostly all of the stuff because you can place trade and it will be very, very portable for you because you cannot be carrying your PC around, but with your phone, you can place trade anywhere you are. So that's why I said if you don't have PC, there's no problem. It's just larger screen and other stuff it will allow you to do. Now, the second one on our list is a trading journal. A trading journal is where you write down important notes and also where you record all your trades, including the reason behind taking the trades, the outcome, and the emotion or thought you had during the trade. A trading journal is crucial for self-assessment and improvement. By analyzing your past trades, you can identify patterns, your mistakes, and successful strategies. This helps you in refining your approach and improving your trading platforms over time. So the next one on our list is charting platform. A charting platform is a software that provides visual representation of price movement, that is charts, allowing traders to perform technical analysis. This is just a software, or let me call it an app, which provides you with tools you can use to analyze the market chart. Some of the popular charting platforms we use in trading forex are MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. They are the same thing, just that MetaTrader 5 is an upgraded version of MetaTrader 4. You can also call it MT4 or MT5. The next one is TradingView. Then another one is NinjaTrader. Another one is Thinkorswim, and so on. Now, let me tell you the ones I'm using and the ones most traders are using. For me personally, I do use TradingView and MetaTrader 5. I use TradingView to analyze the market chart, to speculate what will happen in the market. Then I'll place my trade in MetaTrader 5. That's where I place my trade. I will connect my broker to MetaTrader 5. Then from there, I'll place my trade. The next one on our list is a broker. A forex broker acts as an intermediary between you and the interbank currency market. They provide the trading platform, access to currency pairs, leverage, and other tools and services. In the forex market, before you can trade forex individually, there is a certain amount of money you must have before you can be able to participate in the financial market, and the money is running in millions of dollars, and you go through some critical regulation processes before you can access the financial market. So that's what the forex broker is doing for us that are individual traders that doesn't have that certain amount. They provide us with that amount we needed to participate in the forex market. That is what we call the leverage. We leveraged on them, allowing us to place trade in the financial market with the little money we have. So that's the work of a broker. The choice of a broker can significantly impact your trading experience, including the cost of trading, the quality of execution, and the level of support you receive. Now, Check the link in the description to watch a detailed video where I explained about broker and how you can choose the best broker for your trading. The next one in our list is starting capital. Starting capital is the initial amount of money you deposit into your trading account to begin trading. Your starting capital is the foundation of your activity. Properly managing it is crucial to sustaining long-term trading success and avoiding common pitfall of over-leveraging and risking too much on a single trade. It's just a stepping stone. Let me say starting capital is just the money you are using to start your own business. The first capital, initial capital you deposit to start your own business, to start trading. So now, in conclusion, these aforementioned tools create a comprehensive setup for Forex trading. A smartphone or PC allows you to access the market. A trading journal helps you to learn and grow. A charting platform enables technical analysis, then a broker provides you with market access. Now, a starting capital funds your trading activities. Each of these tools plays a vital role in building a successful trading strategy and ensuring that you have the resource to manage trade effectively. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more insightful forex content. If you have any questions or comment, drop them down below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time.